Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a power bank to charge a device. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a power bank, I have my phone, and I have a charging cord that will connect the power bank to the phone. Now you can use pretty much any power bank and pretty much any device as long as you're able to connect them with the appropriate cord. So basically you need to charge your power bank, and with this one it actually shows the percentage of how charged it is. If I turn it on, you can see it's 98% charged. I charged it the other day and I just used it for a little bit, so it's still almost fully charged. And you do that by plugging it into the input of the power bank. Okay, now once the power bank is charged, you can use it to charge your device by plugging your device into the output of the power bank. Now you can see right here I have two outputs. I have an output of 1 amp and an output of 2.4 amps. Now obviously you got to make sure that your device can handle the amperage that you're choosing and that your device will benefit from the amperage that you're choosing. In most power banks though, it's just going to have one input to charge the power bank itself and then one output to go to the device. This is a little bit more advanced, so it has two, but for the most part, they're just going to have one. They're going to be really easy to use. Now, what you want to do is plug in the charging cord to the output or one of the outputs of your power bank. I'm going to plug it into the 2.4 amp right there. Okay. And then what you want to do is turn on your power bank. Okay. So I'm going to turn it on. You can see it's on right now, and plug the other end into your device. So I'm going to plug this into the device right here. Let's try one more time. Sorry about that. We're going to plug it into the device. I'll turn it around. The cord's a little bit bent. There we go. And you could probably hear that, but it ended up charging the device. I didn't want to turn the device around because I've been getting a few messages and I didn't want to distract you with the messages popping up on the screen, but I did turn the volume on so you can hear when it's being charged. And now it's actually sending power to the device. So I can carry this around and I can charge the device on the go. And that's how to use a portable power bank. They're actually really easy to use. Like I said, this is a bit more advanced. It has the 2.4 and the 1 amp to choose from, but for the most part, you charge up your power bank, you turn your power bank on, and then you make sure that your power bank is plugged, a cord is plugged into the output of the power bank and the charging input of the device that you want to charge. That's it. Power is going out from the power bank and then into the device. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.